Hi, I'm Dr. Heather Moore, owner of Total Performance Physical Therapy. Today we're going to go over some exercises, the top 3 exercises you can do when you have knee pain. A lot of what people don't understand is when you have knee pain, it's not actually coming from the knee. The knee has a meniscus, or a couple meniscuses, and some ligaments and some bone. So normally anything directly at the knee that's painful needs to be surgically fixed. Most of the time, the pain that you're feeling from your knee is actually coming from your hip and your calf. It's a weakness in your hips, it's the way your feet are hitting the ground, different things like that. So I'm going to show you 3 exercises that aren't really going to involve your knee so much as the other areas around it. If you are experiencing any sort of knee pain, we want to get it checked out. It's a sign of worse things to come, especially if it's intermittent, like, oh, I only feel it when I go up steps. It's probably not a big deal. It is a big deal. That's your first red flag that something's going on. If it comes and goes, it doesn't mean it's getting better. It just means your body is becoming smarter at compensating for it, and it's going to cause you a lot more problems down the road. So the first thing you can do when you have knee pain is almost counterintuitive, because everybody says, the minute I got knee pain, everybody told me to stop squatting. Wrong. You don't want to start squatting and put the pressure on your knees by coming forward, but you don't want to stop squatting. So in order to properly squat, and everyone that I have teach a squat to has to go all the way to the floor. If you're not there yet, that's okay. Form is more important than how far down you go. You want to make sure that you are sitting back on your heels. A lot of times I will make people actually hold on to a chair or something so they're able to lift their toes off the floor. And then you're going to squat down. Stick your butt out, keep your back straight, nice and easy. It's helpful to have a chair behind you or some sort of guide. Eventually, you want to go all the way to the ground, okay? Now, that's not going to be where you start, okay? But it's eventually where you want to get. If you have a bar on your back and you're loading your spine and you can't go to the ground, get it off your back and start working on going to the ground. Another exercise that you want to do when you're dealing with knee pain is single leg deadlifts. Why? Knee pain, again, is driven from mostly the hips. So, what you're going to do is you're going to lift your leg up in the back, keeping your body in line, and then come back up. You want to not do this. Okay? That's a low back strain exercise. You want to make sure that your leg moves first, and it goes just as high as your back, and come back down. If you're doing this, you're not doing anything but causing yourself pain. The last exercise you want to do is going to help your glute medius, which is one of your butt muscles that controls a lot that goes down on your leg. So all you're going to do is stand here, lift your leg up, you're going to hike your hip. Nice and easy, okay? Now, this is probably what people claim is the easiest exercise, and then when I get it to do it, it is a disaster. So we want to watch for these things. You're not doing this, okay? This is not a single leg squat. You want to lock your knee, not straight, but you want to lock it out straight and then bend it slightly and lock it into place there. So use your muscles to lock it into place. Doesn't move the entire time. And then you're going to hike your hip. Now a lot of times as people get tired, they're going to just start doing this. Okay? Totally wrong. Again, this knee should stay completely still. You're going to drop down and hike up. You want to try not to touch the floor with this foot. Okay? You're going to feel it in on this leg on the floor, not in the leg that's going up and down. You may feel a little bit, but this is going to be where the primary point of work is. If you are experiencing knee pain, we offer a free 10-minute consultation to check out to see what's going on. You can find us by clicking the box, entering your contact information, and we will get you in for a free appointment. Thank you.